Yo, what is up, boys? We are back in the city, and guess what? It's raining. You guys can hear the raindrops. I'm in a parking lot right now. It's one of the best parking lots in Toronto, I think. Just look at it. Wow, so much space for activities. Donuts, maybe, who knows? I can't do that right now though. I just got an engine light on this car. But, you know the main purpose of this video. It's raining. It's Sunday night, just finished work. That means that we're gonna be cruising, as always, our POV nighttime rainy cruise in my Genesis Coupe 2.0 turbo. That's a loud car, what the hell. 2.0 turbo, 2013 manual with a intake, a blow-off valve, and of course the ISR exhaust system. We got a down pipe and a test pipe going all the way to a mid pipe and an axle back with quad tip titanium exhausts right there. Other than that, what else we got? We got the, as always, you know, we got the wheels on. We got the Adahan black glossy wheels and running 275s in the back, thick tires. If it drops, if the rain drops, I'll shut up so you guys can hear the rain. I know you guys like hearing the rain. But yeah, that's how she's looking for now. Look at the raindrops on it. I drove it here right now, so it was pretty rainy. There we go with the lights on. That's how she's looking. By the way, we're doing crazy good on the videos now. If you guys really like my videos, please drop a like. I'm gonna be doing these POVs for a long time now, so you might as well subscribe. And if you guys want to buy a Genesis Coupe, this is the channel to subscribe to, man. Nothing else to talk about. Oh, engine light. I got the engine light. I think it's because of my ignition coils or my spark plugs. We'll find out tomorrow, bro. I'm just too tired. I took out the engine code for now. If it pops back up again, then we know it's a constant problem. But if it doesn't, then, you know, it's whatever. I can replace them whenever I want. Thinking about getting the NGK spark plugs, so it could give me some more performance. But we'll see what's up. Oh, here comes security. Yo. Yeah. Just taking a video. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, just filming my car, man. Alright, I'll leave. Alright, thanks. Yeah. I was just about to leave, bro. I was just about to hop in the car. It's whatever, though. That was pretty nice. Turn this off. Everything good. Put the windows down so you guys can hear the exhaust. Oh my god. Back up because it is drizzling. I'm actually losing a lot of traction. I need to stop drifting with these wheels on, man. Now I gotta buy new ones. Whatever, it's the car life. Ontario, I think. I don't know if all of Canada is involved in this, but yo, that's it's gonna be fun. That's gonna be fun, cause then I don't have to worry about speeding. I mean, I don't speed. If any cops watching this, I do not speed. But you know what I mean, though. You know what I